Welcome Intermountain Wind and Solar fans. Mark Richards coming to you from the Plastic Surgery Institute of Utah. A beautiful new building. Dr. Moore called us well over a year ago and he wanted to do a couple of things. He wanted to produce his own power and he wanted to also create some shade for his parking area, for himself and also for his clients. We did 2 canopies, over 12 parking stalls each, a total of 24. On each canopy, on each 12 parking stalls, we put 25 kilowatts of power, which is sizable. This 3-story office building will be able to offset the majority of the power here with both of these 25 kilowatt systems. I often think about solar and what it does for us, and then aesthetically, what are we doing? So I believe that I'm being tasked in most cases to do both. Provide power to your home or your building and also make it look really good. As we think about where to place solar, we need a lot of room typically to power a building. And what we like about solar canopies, solar carport canopies, is that it allows me to have quite a density of solar on there. I can place them next to each other, and so I don't have to create space between them. We can now get to it and service it easily. The system will have monitoring, so all the people involved, from staff to the owners of the building, will be able to look on their phone or on their laptop and see what this system's producing and see how many dollars it's offsetting, how much power they produced that day, that week, over time. I am so grateful, Dr. Moore, for your help and your assistance. At every turn, you had a new thought and a new way we could approach this, because it looked like a number of times it wasn't going to go forward. So publicly, Dr. Moore, thank you from IWS. You were of great help, and let's go do another one together. We need you on our team now that you understand the process.